Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your add to cart button sticky on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side of your screen and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you click on settings, go down until you find apps and sales channel. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of your installed applications. And here you're going to find develop apps and Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store and you will be directed to this website. Right here, you're going to find all of the applications that you can add to Shopify. So just go to the search bar and search for Uplinkly. So you do that, hit enter, and then you're going to find a few results. So the app that you need to choose is this one, Uplinkly Sticky Card. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure the developer is Uplinkly. As you can see, guys, it has a very good rating, which is 4.7 stars. Go ahead and click on install. And then click on install app again. And wait for it to load. And then you're going to be right here in uplinkly.com. So you need to select your plan. You can either select the free trial for professional plan or the basic plan. So we're going to select the free trial. And now you're good to go. The application is now added to your Shopify store. And from this application, you can make your add to cart button sticky. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.